So I'm here today to give this door an overhaul. New handle, new full mech, new keeps. So need to change all these latch keeps, changing the mechanism, changing door handles. That's the new mech inside now. Just got to adjust it, put the handles on, and then just do the keeps. Handles are on, inside's working. Outside, just need to tighten them up, and just gonna get the screwdriver now and do them all up. Everything's tightened up. Just gonna check the door before I do the keeps. Lift and locked. Now just got to do the keeps and then done. Taking all the strike plates out. Now I'm going to put the new ones in. New lock fitted. Just testing the door. Now locking a lot smoother and unlocking. Oop, it says